welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make one of my favorite things. These are mango avocado spring rolls. If you've ever had a Vietnamese spring or summer roll, they're a fresh spring roll, so they're not the fried one, and they are so tasty. It can be really hard to find the mango avocado ones, so I make them myself at home, and I like to make them a bit healthier too. Instead of the usual white rice spring roll wrappers, we are going to use brown rice. Instead of noodles, which I do sometimes, we are going to do some quinoa. Then we have mango sliced up, we have avocado sliced up, we have cucumber sliced up, and then we have some fresh mint. These are perfect for an appetizer, for a snack, to eat with lunch. The quinoa in it helps add some extra protein, especially since we're doing mango, which is a bit sweeter. I wanted to balance it out with some fresh green veggies, the cucumber, the avocado, which is a healthy fat, and then the mint is a nice fun garnish too. We are going to make these and then we'll enjoy them in a delicious sun butter sauce. You'll want to make a little assembly line here. So we have our hot water in a bowl that's big enough to dip the spring roll wrappers in. Then we have our cucumber, mint, avocado, mango, and quinoa. We're gonna grab one of the spring roll wrappers first. Dip it in the water until you feel it start to get soft, because we need to be able to fold it. I'm going to show you how to fold these from two different camera angles so that you can get a feel for it. First, we have our spring roll wrappers here, and as you can see, they're quite soft. So something you want to keep in mind about spring rolls, it is all about timing. You want to make sure that you put them in the water for just enough time, not too much, because then they'll get too soft. And you want to make sure you're moving quickly as you're getting the ingredients in. As you can see, I added the ingredients one by one, and I am putting them right up against each other or on top of each other to make it easier when we're folding. So then when we're folding here, you're gonna grab from one end and tuck it over. I like to pull it back a little, as you saw I just did there, and then I pull from the bottom and the top to tuck it in, kind of like a burrito. Then we're going to start rolling. You're just gonna keep rolling all the way until it's finished like this. There are many different ways that you can roll a spring roll, to be honest. This is just how I learned to do it when we were in Vietnam. You can experiment with it if it's easier for you to pull the sides in first, for example, or start with your ingredients over to the side a little bit more, whatever it may be. Try out a few different things. As you can see here from the top view, you can see how close I'm putting all of the ingredients to make it a lot easier for myself once I want to wrap. And again, we're pulling that side over and pulling all the ingredients tight. Then we're pulling from the top and the bottom. And then again, I'm kind of pulling it back to pull the ingredients tightly in and starting to roll it out again. And that's it. Don't worry if they don't look perfect, you're gonna eat them. And once you cut them in half, the bright colors will look great. These are so delicious and easy. I just love mangoes. Now let's make a quick and easy dipping sauce so we can enjoy these. We're gonna keep this super easy with just two ingredients. You can use any nut butter or seed butter. I'm using sunflower seed butter. Gonna grab out about a tablespoon. Let's do 2 tablespoons. And then we are going to use coconut aminos, which is a soy sauce substitute. You can use soy sauce or tamari too. It's a few tablespoons, probably 3 tablespoons of that. And now we just mix. Has a really nice creamy consistency. If you want a little extra kick, just add some ginger to it, some grated ginger or some chili paste. You guys, these are the perfect treat. They are so tasty. Every time I make them, I forget how good they are, and then they're gone in a flash. And the sauce is the perfect combination. It's a little bit salty because of the coconut aminos and the sun butter, combined with the sweetness from the mango and the freshness. It is just so good. I could eat this every day. I hope you love this take on spring rolls as much as I do. Personally, with PCOS, I try not to have too much white rice, try to avoid having too many refined carbs. So using the brown rice and the quinoa and adding the avocado for fat, I'm not spiking my blood sugar as much as if I were to use the white vermicelli rice noodles and the white rice wrap. I also love to serve them in a cute little dish like this. I cut them in half and then you can sit them right side up or you could push this side down. But with the quinoa, I feel like it's better to put that side out and they're so pretty. So I like to serve them like this with the sauce and they are just perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love these as much as I do. They are so tasty and so simple. Don't forget to like this video, add a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content, especially healthy recipes. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.